Assembling a large battery pack using lithium-ion cells to create a 48 volts lithium battery pack 360 watt-hours or similar specifications requires careful consideration of several factors. Key considerations. 1. Cell selection. Choose high-quality lithium-ion cells with consistent capacity and discharge rate suitable for your application. For example, solar storage, electric bikes, or backup power. 2. Series and parallel configuration. Determine the Series S and parallel P configuration to achieve the desired voltage 48 volts and capacity, for example. 3S for approximately 48 volts with 3.7 volts nominal cells. 3. Battery Management System BMS. A BMS is crucial for monitoring cell voltage, temperature, and balancing cells to ensure safety and longevity. 4. Safety features include overcharge, discharge protection, thermal management, and short-circuit protection. 5. Mechanical design. Design a sturdy enclosure to house the cells, BMS, and wiring, ensuring proper ventilation and insulation. 6. Wiring and connectors. Use appropriate gauge wiring and high-current connectors to handle the load safely. Steps to assemble. 1. Plan the configuration. Decide on the number of cells in series and parallel, based on your voltage and capacity requirements. 2. Prepare cells. Ensure all cells are of the same type, capacity, and charge level before assembly. 3. Assemble the pack. Connect cells in series to achieve the desired voltage. Then add parallel connections for increased capacity. 4. Install the BMS. Connect the BMS to monitor and balance the cells, ensuring safe operation. 5. Add protection circuits. Include fuses, overcharge, discharge protection, and thermal sensors. 6. Test the pack. Verify the voltage, capacity, and functionality before use. If you're new to battery assembly, consider consulting an expert or following detailed guides specific to your project. Safety is paramount when working with lithium-ion batteries.